Bhagavad Gita 4:26. Shrodradin indriyanyanye samyagniso juvati sabdadim vishayananya indriyagniso juvati. Some sacrifice the hearing process and the senses in the fire of mental control, and others sacrifice the object of the senses in the fire of the senses. Okay? Like sacrificing the hearing process and senses in the fire of mental control. It means basically that using the senses, instead of using the senses to connect to the sense object, one uses the senses, one withdraws the senses into the mind field and use that energy, that power of the senses, ahara, the physical manifestation of the prana, one use that to controlling the mind, because senses, like mind, is the hub of the senses, and that energy, what is coming out through the senses, if one withdraw that back to the mind field, one can use that, utilize that to control the mind. And then other processes is external, sacrificing the object of the senses in the fire of senses, which means that one regulate. If one cannot do that, control, one can regulate the sense experience. One can externally control the senses by sacrificing the object of the senses or the senses, which means that one connect the senses into the sattvic object, and then one can gradually use that as a platform to control the mind. So there's two ways: there's internal antar and like a bahiranga sadhana for these indriya jaya, controlling the senses. Bhagavad Gita ki jai.